All right, welcome back, pre-algebra class. This is going to be your second day of e-learning. This is going to be lesson 12-2, the converse of the Pythagorean theorem. So basically what we're trying to do is determine what a right triangle is. So if you look in your book on page 382 on example number 1, it says tell whether each triangle given with the given side lengths is a right triangle. So first we have 9 inches, 40 inches, and 41 inches. 9 inches, 40 inches, 41 inches. Now, just by looking at this, your C, or your hypotenuse, is always your longest side. So we're going to use our same a squared plus b squared equals c squared. All you have to do is plug these in. Your longest one is always going to be your C. So the 41 inches is going to go here, 41 squared. Now your A and B, it doesn't matter. This could be A, or this could be A, this could be B, this could be B. It does not matter. So as long as you have 9 squared plus 40 squared equals 41 squared. Now if we work on this and it is true, then it is a right triangle. If it's not, then it is not a right triangle. So 9 squared, 81, plus 40 squared, which is 1600, equals 41 squared is 1681. So when we add these together, since that is true, yes, it is a right triangle. So if you look at example 2, and like I always said, you can always pause this and copy this example down in your notebook. I would definitely write down C is always your longest side, and you can still have your a squared plus b squared equals c squared. So we'll erase this and we'll try 3 different sides. So we have, it says let A be 8, B is 10, and C is 12. So we have 8 meters, 10, and 12. So we have 8, 10, and 12. Now, just by looking at this, we can all tell 12 is our longest side, so that's going to be our C. So we're going to do 8 squared plus 10 squared equals 12 squared. Now this one I hope you can do in your heads. 8 times 8, 64, plus 100 equals 144. Now when you simplify, 164 equals 144. That is not true, so you would say not a right triangle. So not a right triangle. So right now you should be completing numbers 2, 3, 4, and 5 in your turn. So then if you go on to the next part, it says using the converse of the theorem. You can use the converse of the Pythagorean theorem to solve real-world problems. So we'll explain your real-world problem here, and it should just be the same situation. So for example 2, it says Katya is buying edging for a triangular flower garden she plans to build in her backyard. If the lengths of the 3 pieces of edging she purchased are 13 feet, 10 feet, and 7 feet, is this going to be a right triangle? So our 3 sides are 13, 10, and 7. Now by looking at this, you can see 13 is the largest number, so 13 is going to be your hypotenuse. So this is your C, that will, A or B, it doesn't matter which one. So we're still going to do our a squared plus b squared equals c squared. A squared, so 10 squared plus 7 squared equals 13 squared. 10 squared is 100 plus 49 equals, I think it's 169, but 13 times 13, 169. So when you simplify this, 149 does not equal 169. So it's a triangle, but it is not a right triangle. So that should be about it for the lesson, and then you should be able to work on your homework from here. If you have any questions, definitely reach out to me. I've been responding to a lot of students with email, so definitely reach out to me and I can either record a video and explain it or just explain it through email. That's all we have today. Thank you.